Good morning, Dana McKimmey here. We're in Warrenton, Virginia. This is my 69 TR6. I've had it 5 or 6 years. This is the third session the club has come out to help me with, and on the floor behind me I've got an engine that's been reworked. They shaved the head when it went to the machine shop, or I should say I think they shaved the block. And they're going to increase the compression. I think from the factory it was around 8 or 8.5, and it's going to be about 9.5. And so it should have a little more oomph. And I'm looking forward to driving it. It should have more power than my old TR6 had back 40 years ago. And it's sitting on the floor there, and the objective today is to get that thing mounted back in this car. We took it out in session 2, this is session 3, and hopefully by 3 in the afternoon we'll have it mounted, and then I'll have to come back in later and put some of the components on the engine.
So, there's a pilot. That's interesting. Can you hold in?
Hey Roger, I'll install my cabinet over here. They always blame it on the pilot.
I was running in the auto processing world. I didn't want to go to full modify.
So you had a 1296 motor, is that what you were?
No, I
The
just
50
wanted
to
the
75.
cab
So I was going to say, go to 50 first, and then we'll get plus on, right?
Higher compression, balance, all that.
Yep.
I can ask for that. I have one.
Yeah, I got mine in hand. Gotta make sure it's.
Gotta be able to read something. We had a,
Again, that's why we have John.
we had an engineer.
There's a pin.
should be
alignment
located.
pin
Yeah,
here,
I'll
one
confirm
here,
from now
one
on,
here.
but yeah,
So I'm just trying to figure out if I'm eyeballing it.
Which orientation? That score I sent it to you before.
One day it didn't start half on that one.
No, that's why I had to double check and I go, really? Yeah, so I'm gonna do this. You know, input chip on the transmission has splines on it, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking, we'll be jiggling this around, getting there, and there's gonna be a bunch of eyes underneath or around to try and look at it. So I've had personally better luck when I kind of at least try to attempt to align the splines up by eyeball, instead of trying, if they're off completely, then you're trying to twist it and trying to get it all, Well, it's an attempt. Yeah, just put a thin pin on it. Oh, I don't know, I didn't see any alignment pins on the block, right?
So the motor mount's gonna go on the block first?
So
or
I'm
the
thinking we
master?
leave them off,
Okay.
so we
Well,
can have a little bit
easier,
of wiggle room, right?
Yep.
So we'll put the floor jack on the transmission. Yeah, I mean, it's not very heavy.
Come in a little bit more, John. That's good, right there.
Go up, please, on the jack.
Yeah, but
Easy.
I put the transmission right under the front.
The jack's gonna hold it. I had a 16-footer that was a Canadian.
It might
Right now, all I have is a straight pipe with a simple transmission.
Yep, okay.
Can you push
Turn
that
over.
Somebody hold the garage.
I'm with Roger.
We're managing.
Just so you know, when I did my agent, I used to
No, I got one. Just looking. Trying to think ahead.
Pull it down.
Pulling up on top. Yeah.
Half a ton, that should work.
Good.
It's gonna swing forward.
Yes, it is.
It's like holes in it. I mean, is it good enough to tread like that?
You're the tech engineer, you figure that out.
Okay, stop. Let's go down very gently.
I always have to do that twice. Keep going.
They're all eyes on, make sure we don't catch any wires or anything.
Watch that clutch wire or whatever. At the bottom.
Okay, stop. Pull. Stop, Keith. Move back to the, so gotta go back. As we're going down, it's pulling forward. So
Tell me how much.
go a bit more. Okay, stop. Let's go down.
Go down.
Easy.
Watch your fingers.
Yep.
I'm just doing it in stages. As opposed to all one move.
Easy.
You're getting close to the steering rack.
Yes, you're very close.
Okay.
Stop. You're on it.
Angle it, that's the steering rack.
Yep, I think we need
The
to
other one
angle a
you
little bit maybe.
This one.
So, which way is this going?
Where's your light?
Front,
Can we go up a little bit?
front, up on the,
Yeah.
this has got to go up, so which way is it? No, I think that's right. Yeah, okay, good.
There you go.
Okay, stop. So we're cleared over here a little bit, right?
Yeah.
It's clear on
So
every
this is
day.
where,
Still got-
so down,
You need to
Keith,
go
just a
down.
very, to help this, get this lined up, right? Have it
Yep.
clear the tail shaft, and once we get close with the studs, then we could probably go down. Oh.
That's probably good, no?
Yeah,
I'm on
you're
the,
bottomed out though on block over
Which
here.
way is this way go? This way?
You want to level it?
I want it angle this way more a little bit.
I came up just a smidge.
Yeah, you're off. Good.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Looks pretty damn good.
Yeah, so we're not, so the holes will end up sort of, but we're not on the spline. So keep just down a smidge. Go. Up. Yep.
Yes, please. Break it.
So-
You're free to move it.
This keeps wanting to
Crank
turn.
it. Back end up some?
I think you're too far over.
So I'm
This
going to
way.
lower the transmission just a little bit.
That's pretty close right there, whatever you just did, Gene.
John, we're just a tiny little bit, quarter of an inch kind of a thing. And then we're going to want to go push back.
Let me know.
You're good now. I think, yes, we got a flashlight on right here.
I'm right here.
Yeah. Maybe a tiny bit more,
Yeah.
sir.
Yep,
we
right,
good over
that
there,
looks
Doug?
good, yep.
Okay, can we get some aft
Oh, yeah.
propulsion?
I'm worried about that clearance down there.
Push back. Push back.
Just try to-
Wait. Let me see a second. I'm still a little tiny bit high.
I can come down a little.
Very little down.
Yeah.
Just left that corner right here. So.
All right, we're
Okay,
on.
we're in right now.
Okay, can
3
somebody
bolts
give
are
us
in.
more back, please? Are we on the spline, John, do you know?
The 3 bolts are in, we gotta be.
How about
Gene, here's my idea, because look at the gap you have on the bottom. Now that we have this in, we need to raise the transmission back up so we can line up better.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
John, we need to come up a little, you don't have much room, but you need to come up on it.
Nelson, do you know Kirby?
You know what I can do, Doug, is I can square the engine now, right? We can get rid of the tilt.
Well, you can't though, because we're bottom down
Or
here.
bottom down on the front.
Come by. Yeah. I was reluctant to do such thing.
Whenever you're ready, John.
This one's designed to use on it. I don't have any new bolts, I can,
Old ones, anything.
yeah,
How much space do I have with clear here? How much is?
Oh, you
About a half, 3/4 of an inch.
got about a
Okay,
half
I'm
inch.
gonna
You got about
keep
a half
coming
inch
up.
there.
I'm gonna keep coming up to try and get this distance
Yep.
close
Yes,
down there.
that's what we're trying to do. Looking better than it was,
Oh,
for
yeah,
sure,
it's
though.
much better now. It's almost square.
Yeah.
It's almost parallel.
But just a little bit, John.
Well, that's square anymore.
You right there, John? Sorry.
trying to look at the transmission. I don't have much to elaborate on down here.
Yeah.
No,
You're gonna get stuck here, Gene,
yeah,
on this, then you're gonna.
okay.
Can you get any leverage at all?
No, you're up against that, careful, you're on that plate. There we go. Okay, up a tiny bit more, and then we'll try to swing her back in. Okay. It's loose anyway.
We have this distance.
Right now, this is stopping us from moving the engine down at all. If we move it down now, well, it's to the side, then we can orient it straight in. Then we can
Try
line it
it.
up.
Try it. Try it. Yeah. Okay. I'm game. So you're. I was reading an article. The guy cut that off. Said he was asked in the forum, "What is this for?" I cut it off because it wet.
Whoa! Okay, now,
Yeah, we are on the. You got to get back up a little bit. Now you're underneath it, but now you got to. Oh, stop. Now, down slightly. Here.
down a little bit.
So you see, Doug, where we're hitting here.
Let's get the transmission down.
Coming down. More.
Yep, keep going. I don't see it moving at all, it's stuck on this. We're hitting here, that's stopping.
Oh, that's still
This is what's
stopping.
stopping it right here.
Okay.
I think the engine.
Doug, do you want transmission down some more?
I'm not engaged here, just so you know,
I see
Gene.
that.
Okay, there we go. But now we're off the other way.
No, the engine is not moving side to side now because of our new placement.
Right. But it's free of this now, it's about basically where it was before we started.
Shit out of it. Somebody turn the slightly, and then I'll wheel the shit out of it.
And then you still put the board in.
Yeah, there's something not joining.
I say we disconnect it from the drive shaft and work the transmission into the engine.
Bingo.
Disconnect here and.
That way we can finagle the engine into the engine. What do you think?
Come on, baby. So I've got my hand on the flange. I got it in fourth.
Yes, everywhere. Down a half an inch everywhere. We're stuck on the throttle.
As soon as you,
Push it back an eighth of an inch.
oh, there we go. We got it.
Check on that. Check on that whole thing.
Yes.
Bolts, please. Bolts, please.
Take it out and see what goes in again.
That was so much fun, let's do it.
Let me see.
We didn't get the
Let me
picture.
see what the finished product. No, we gotta take it apart. Yeah, we gotta take it apart so we can get the picture.
All right, good
Let's just get a bolt in there.
Matt, did you get that, or we gotta do it again?
Actually, I didn't. I thought it was rolling, but it wasn't.
All right, David.
All
See you
right,
later.
take two.
Yeah.
Can somebody get this?
Yep, give me one.
Okay, Doug, what
Some were from the front,
what I
some were
did
from the
find
back.
was
I don't
that-
know which is which.
I think we're putting them all in from the front.
I did find that
There's going to be some difficulty with that, but once we get a couple in, we can lower it and the difficulty goes away.
Hindsight's 20/20, and my buddy bought a 240 and I bought this.
You did, right. Well, I'm just gonna do the top three first, just so.
John, can you get your finger in there? Look up, give me another finger. Give me a finger. Right here? Yeah, okay. Can you get, here you go. Thought I did. It might be not the right way, I don't know.
I think it's 20. Is that working?
Nothing's moving, I could see.
And up slightly, Keith.
Just a bit,
Just a little bit up.
and then toward me.
There you go.
What if I undo the others?
Now, are you done, John?
No, on this side, no. Which way are we doing? Nuts facing forward or bolts facing?
I'm coming in from, so the nut is in the recess.
Ground strap? Yeah, you're right.
Can we take some slack off of you, Gene, or do you want to?
We can definitely do that.
All right.
Well, no, it's like size.
Volume 1, Volume 2. This one's for the 250.
Back when they used to give them away.
He's looking for them.
Nice grouping.
Yeah, we call that a cluster.
So, no, I flew for American Airlines.
And don't forget, we got a lift here.
We were coming home from Vietnam, we just wanted to get home. Don't ride your sidearm. How many tours?
Okay, now you're on.
Yeah, I have no throw there, really. I'm not gonna worry about the orientation.
Okay, I'll take a walk in the same. You have the same year,
Yeah, it's a little different.
It's a half-hour job when you do it.
And the other thing that I guess one of the big options is jacks.
This guy needs a gas.
Got the exhaust manifold too, right? I guess this, I got it, hang on, it's over here.
Threads.
Yeah, you can only, well, no, you know what? No.
Get your bend, your bar and flare and.
Yeah.
Thank you. I was told the same thing, because we don't have as many guys as I thought we would.
You looking for the studs?
Yeah. Exhaust manifold. The 37 is the 4. So
This is mine, I think. This came out of my trunk without mine.
yeah.
Some more over there. And that's, oh, you want some of that, sure.
I'll let you know what I'm doing.
Okay, that'd be great. I'll come out. I'll come over.
I got it, John.
Okay, thank you. Hey, so Dana,
Holy cow, that's a